Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on Suno. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Suno and you will click here. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.